Welcome. In this class, we are going to do some more examples related to trigonometry. Example 1. Prove that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta equal to 2 cos theta. Solution. First take the LHS. Here the LHS is square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. Okay, equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 into, we know that cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. What? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Using this result or using this identity, we can rewrite cos 4 theta as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Okay, that's equal to square root of 2 plus square root of expanding this 2 plus 2 into 2 4 cos square 2 theta minus 2. Okay, 2 and 2 get cancels and the remaining is square root of 2 plus square root of 4 cos square 2 theta. Okay, it is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 4 cos square 2 theta becomes square root of 4 cos square 2 theta is equal to square root of 4 is 2. Cos square is cos. Okay, cos 2 theta. Okay, equal to 4 cos square 2 theta. Square root of 4 cos square 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 plus what? 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, it is equal to, again we are using this identity. Here we get square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is equal to what? Square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 4 cos square theta minus 2. See, here 2 and 2 get cancels and the remaining is square root of 4 cos square theta and the square root of 4 is 4 cos square theta becomes square root of 4 is 2. Cos square theta is cos theta. It is equal to 2 cos theta, that is the RHS. Okay. Second question. Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A equal to sin A plus cos A. Solution. Take the LHS. LHS equal to what? Cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A. Okay. Then for getting the solution, convert this tan A into sin A by cos A and cot A to cos A by sin A. That is cos A divided by 1 minus tan A is sin A by cos A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. Okay, which is equal to cos A divided by, taking here cos A as the LCM, that is cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A divided by, here take sin A as the LCM, it becomes sin A and sin A minus cos A. Okay, then rearranging the terms we get cos A into cos A. Okay, cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Okay, this is equal to cos square A. Arranging once again, we get cos A minus sin A. Here take minus as a common factor, minus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A becomes cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. See, the denominator are same. Taking cos A minus sin A as the LCM, then it is equal to what? Cos A minus sin A, and numerator becomes cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, this cos square A minus sin square A can be written as cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A. Since it is of the form A square minus B square, you know that A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, using this identity, the numerator becomes cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Okay, this cos A and minus sin A and cos A minus sin A get cancels, and the remaining is cos A plus sin A. See, this is the RHS, sin A plus cos A. Okay, RHS. So hence the result. Okay, another example. If cot theta equal to 9 by 40, find the value of sec theta and cosec theta. See the solution of this problem. Given cot theta equal to 9 by 40. Okay, we can solve this using a right angle triangle. See, it's a right angle triangle A, B, C. Take this as theta. Then we know that cot theta is what? Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, adjacent side here it is 9 and take AC as 40. Okay, using the right angle triangle, we can rewrite this as BC divided by AC. Okay, then find AB. Using the sides of the triangle, we can find the values of sec theta and cosec theta. First find AB. We know that for a right angle triangle, AB square is equal to base square plus altitude square. That is BC square plus AC square. Okay, so here BC is what? 9 square 9, and BC square is 9 square, and AC is 40 square. 9 square is 81 and 40 square is 1600. It's equal to 1681. That is AB square is 1681, 1681. What is AB? AB is square root of this value. Okay, since side is taken as positive, we take only the positive square root of this value, that is 41. Square root of 1681 is equal to 41. Okay. Then what is sec theta? If the sides of the triangles are known, then what is sec theta? Sec theta is, using this triangle we can rewrite as what? AB by BC. Okay. What is the value of AB? It is 41 and BC is 9. So sec theta is 41 by 9. And similarly cosec theta is what? AB by AC. AB divided by AC. Okay. AB means the hypotenuse. AC is the opposite side. Okay. And BC is the adjacent side. So cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So it is AB by AC, and it is what? 41 divided by AB is the hypotenuse. Okay. AC is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side based on this angle. Okay. That is AB is 41 and AC is 40. Therefore cosec theta is 41 by 40. Using this method we can find out the other three trigonometric ratios also. What are the other ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is what? Opposite side by adjacent side, or we can write sin theta by cos theta. Okay. See another example. If tan theta equal to 2 by 3, then find the values of sin theta plus cos theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. See the solution of this problem. Solution given tan theta equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Using this triangle we can find out all the other ratios. Okay. Here take this as theta, and we know that name A, B, C, and tan theta is what? Opposite side by adjacent side, isn't it? 2 by 3. That is, here the opposite side is AC and the adjacent side is BC. Okay. So tan theta can be written as AC by BC. Then we have to find the value of the side AB. Okay. Using the Pythagorean relation, we can write this as, in triangle ABC, we know that AB square, hypotenuse square, equal to base square plus altitude square, AC square. That is AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. Here BC is 3. So BC square equal to 3 square, and AC is 2 square. This is equal to 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. It's equal to 13. AB square is 13. AB is, therefore AB equal to root of 13. Okay. Using the three sides we can find out all the other 5 trigonometric ratios. Here we know, here we want to know only sin theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. First find sin theta. Sin theta is what? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, isn't it? Here the opposite side is 2 and the hypotenuse is root 13. So sin theta is 2 by root 13. Cos theta is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here it is 3 by root 13. Sec theta Sec theta is what? Root 13 by 3. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Similarly, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. That is cosec theta equal to root 13 by 3. Sorry, root 13 by 2. Root 13 by 2. Then we find the values. We got the values of sin theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Then find sin theta plus cos theta. First find sin theta plus cos theta or cos theta plus sin theta equal to value of cos theta is 3 by root 13 and sin theta is 2 by root 13. Okay. So the next step is take root 13 as LCM. The numerator becomes 3 plus 2. Therefore, the answer is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by root 13. Okay. Then next one, sec theta plus cosec theta. The value of sec theta is root 13 by 3 and cosec theta is root 13 by 2. Taking LCM as 6, that is 2 root 13 plus 3 root 13 equal to 2 plus 3, 5. 5 root 13 divided by 6. Okay. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta is 5 by root 13 and the value of cosec theta plus sec theta is 5 root 13 divided by 6. Next example, prove that cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a equal to tan 45 degree minus a. For getting the solution, take the LHS. LHS equal to cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a. Okay, for finding the answer, we want to know three identities. One is cos 2a, next one sin 2a and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. What are they? Cos 2a. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. Next one sin 2a. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. And third one sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay. Replacing the values in this RHS, we get what? Equal to this equal to cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a equal to cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a divided by 1 can be written as cos square a plus sin square a and sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. Okay. See, the denominator is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is a plus b the whole square form. Okay. Numerator is cos square a minus sin square a divided by the denominator becomes cos a plus sin a the whole square. Okay. That is cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a. Okay. Then you also see the numerator is a square minus b square form. Again, that is we can rewritten as a plus b into a minus b form. A square minus b square is equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this can be rewritten as is equal to cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a the whole square. 1 cos a plus sin a and 1 cos A plus sin A get cancels and the remaining is cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A. Okay. So we get cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A. Then for getting this answer, divide each term by cos A. What? Divide each term by cos A. Remember this step. Divide each term by cos A. Therefore, this becomes cos A by cos A. Cos A by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Denominator cos A by cos A plus sin A by cos A. See, cos A by cos A is 1. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Similarly, the denominator is 1 plus cos A by cos A 1. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Okay. That is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. Also, we know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, this one can be written as tan 45 degree minus tan A divided by tan 45 degree plus tan A. This is of the form tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay. Or so this one remains same and into tan 45 degree. Okay. This tan A can be written as tan A into tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore, the value unalters and the identity or the term becomes tan 45 degree minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. That is of the form tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. That is equal to what? Here for A 45 degree and B for A. Then this is becomes tan 45 degree minus A. Okay. That is the RHS. Okay.